Educational costs are on the rise. Do you know of a student who could use a little help paying for college? If so, make sure you send them over to Pro Replacement Windows to check out our brand new scholarship program. Established in 2022, the Pro Replacement Windows Scholarship is set to be granted annually to college-bound high school seniors and current college students in the U.S. who have demonstrated academic achievement, excellence of character, and dedicated community involvement. Each year, 2 students will be awarded a minimum of $1,500 to be applied towards qualified college expenses for the upcoming academic year. The deadline to enter is June 30th, 2023, with the winners to be announced on August 1st, 2023. The scholarship is open to all qualified students in the U.S., so make sure you don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to receive funds for college. Visit us today at proreplacementwindows.com/scholarship for more information.